follow me. What a beautiful summer's day. I'm going for a swim. Like all seals, Honk loved to swim. The only trouble was he lived such a long way from the sea that by the time he got there, it was dark. Oh no! And Honk lived even further away from the river, so by the time he got there, it was winter. Oh no! Poor Honk. He just couldn't think what to do. Hello, Grizzle! I think I got the answer, Honk. What you need is a swimming pool. Of course! A swimming pool! How do I make one of those then, Grizzle? Easy peasy. All you need is a hole in the ground. Brilliant! I'll go and buy one straight away. Honk hurried off to town to buy a hole. Yahoo! Have you heard the one about the 3 eggs, Quack? No, Chirp. Too bad. Morning, Honk. Morning, Honk. Morning, Quack. Good morning, Chirp. Can't stop. I've got to buy a hole for a swimming pool. For a swimming pool. Good morning, Bleat. I'd like to buy a hole, please. A large hole. A very large hole. What for? A swimming pool. Poor Honk. He wasn't having much luck. And everyone was finding it terribly funny. So what's so funny about buying a hole? Worm, of course, understood the problem completely. I understand the problem completely, Honk. Holes are difficult things to buy. I'd sell you mine, but I need it, I'm afraid. Why don't you make one yourself? And when Worm explained to Honk that all he needed to buy was a shovel, Honk hurried home to start digging. How's the hole going, Honk? Almost done, Grizzle! The only trouble is, I can't get out. All I need now is to fill it with water. Easy peasy. You get one end, I'll get the other, and we'll carry it down to the sea. So what's so funny? Wouldn't take more than just the two of us to lift a hole this size, silly. Oh no! Quick! Quick, Grizzle! My hole will get wet! Help me find something to cover it up with! By the time Grizzle and Honk got back, the hole had filled with water. Look, Grizzle, a swimming pool! I've got a swimming pool! Yahoo! Come on in! It's lovely! Don't mind if I do. So Grizzle did. And emptied it. How do we get out, Grizzle? Easy peasy, Honk. We just wait here till it rains again.